Hello friends, in this session I am going to discuss about service workers of browsers. Service workers are widely used to develop progressive web application (PWA) that gives offline user experience. A service worker is a script written in JavaScript that works on browser's background without any user interaction. With service workers, web developers can develop fast web pages and give offline experiences. With the help of service worker, we can track network traffic. We can manage all network traffic of the page and do any manipulation in web pages. Thus, we can dominate network traffic. With the help of service worker, we can store web content into cache. We can cache any request response pair with service worker and cache API. We can access these offline contents at any time. We can manage push notifications with the help of service worker and show any message to the user. We can develop offline web applications. Although internet connection is broken, we can start any process with background sync and service worker. What we cannot do with service worker? We cannot access window. Since we cannot access window, therefore we cannot manipulate any DOM element. But we can communicate to the window through post messages. We cannot work on port 80. Service worker just work on HTTPS protocol. Therefore, it cannot access port 80. Now come to the life cycle of service worker. To implement a service worker, we have followed some steps. First step is registration. Before installing, the browser should check if the service worker already exists. In order to do so, we have to call registration process. Install event. The very first event is install event. With this event, we are going to tell which files are going to be cached in cache resource. Activate event. With activate event, we can manage cache resources. For example, old files that do not exist anymore, we can add these with the help of activate event. Fetch event. A fetch event runs every time when any document in the scope of service worker is fetched, such as when a page is loaded, or when a resource like script is loaded, or an image is added, or an API call is made. Almost every browser supports background services such as background fetch, background sync, notifications, and push messages. These are background services. These background services can be used with service workers. A background service is functionally similar to background process. Background fetch. The background fetch API enables a service worker to download large resources such as movie and podcasts. Background sync. Background sync API enables offline service worker to send data to the server. Once it has re-established reliable connection, it will update data to the server. Notifications. After a service worker has received a push message from the service worker uses the notification API to display data to the user. Push messages. To display a push notification to the user, a service worker uses push message API to receive data from the server. Then, when the service worker is ready to display the notification, it uses notification API. In this way, service worker works with background services. Now come to the use cases of service worker. The service workers APIs are so powerful that we can develop a very creative applications with the help of service worker. First use case is differential update of text files. Service worker Delta library is available, which allows to download only Delta between currently cached file and latest version of file without re-downloading the entire file. We can update only Delta portion. Capability reporting. Since all requests go through service worker, we can easily show which type of image format is supported by current browser. Support for a new image format. Suppose a new image format is not currently supported by browser, we can write our own image decoder in JavaScript using service worker, and we can show the new image format which is not supported by current browser. Client-side load balancing. At client side, we can now seamlessly choose from which server a request is to be submitted. This is all about service workers. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.